What's up, everybody? It's been a long time. Um, Sorry for all that. Busy life. Um, so yeah, I got we got something to play with for the channel. Do have still have my cars in the garage. Red's still there. Still have stuff to do and blah blah blah. And yeah, I won't go in through that, but we got something that we can work on together. So I'll just show you the car, what's gonna be, and we'll go with that and let's go. So that's a 97 Civic SI coupe. So let's bring back the OGs with the body kit, full body club, front and the rear right there. Not so bad. We'll fix it up. Got a few things to do inside up too. See inside, it's pretty much all there. Got a lot of stuff to do. Won't go through today, but yeah, show you. Single jangle. Yeah, so a lot of wiring issues and stuff when I got it. Needs to fix all that. So we'll go. I'll go all that with you guys in another video. So just today, showing you exactly gonna work on. So a lot of things on it. What's nice on it too, it's every molding on the side. Usually, Civic coupe always got molding on the side. See, now it's all shaped up. It's pretty nice too. They did a pretty good job. It's all metal, it's on Bondo and everything, so it's pretty clean. Can't complain. Underneath too, put my steelies on it, pretty wide. But yeah, so previous owners say got it from a friend of mine. He got it and he said that he didn't know what was the issue and blah blah blah. So I picked it up for myself. So now we're gonna go through all that. The wiring, I've seen the wiring, it was all messed up and everything. Let me put the hood up. All right, as you guys know, 97, 96 to 98, it's OBD2A. That's that connection for the distributor right here, and you got the 4-pin connector on the ECU. So the previous guy tried to make his stuff, trying to cut harnesses and try to pull all that together, everything shebang, it's really a mess. So I saw, after a bit of a checkup and everything, try to put a 99. So that's OBD2B. So the full harness, not the same thing, as the chassis doesn't hooked up like it needs to be hooked up. So that in wise, I mean that the cluster in all the inside of the car won't work. So with that, I'm gonna change all that, and at least we'll be able to try it and make it work. You see, it's got a headers on it and everything. Battery is pretty much done, as you can see. He tried to start the car without knowledge of anything. Starter wasn't even hooked up. So yeah, a lot of issues, but we'll go through it. There's no problem with that. Typical Honda stuff, easy to fix. So it's a SI chassis, it's supposed to be having a Y8, but now it's only a Y7 because whatever story in the back. But we'll be able to make it work with that. At least it's just to make a run. So before we go through the whole thing and try to do something, and without even knowing if all wiring and mechanical wise is working. So inside, nothing major, stock seats and everything. See, put a 99 2000 bezel with all that electronic stuff, but it's not hooked up, because where's the blower here, the heater thing, it still has the connection for the cable one for the 96 to 98. So there's a few difference about those things. So not bad. I need to change all that shebang. It's missing this, for sure we're gonna take that stuff out. That's definitely. We're gonna remove those seats, and the console. I got just a different one, just so we can make it nicer and cleaner. But really not bad. Quarter panel needs to be touched up because the body broke down. Body kit right there, a little bit screw. But hey, everything's fixable. You know, there's a will, there's a way. That's what I see. So we'll go through that. I'll try to make it something nice for you guys and try to bring back the old style with the body kit and everything. So let me show you the body kit so you guys can think if you guys want that one or I got another one, so you guys choose which one you want. So I'll shoot the one on the car. Usually Body Club has that little fin there. There's a hole, but the guy patched it from inside, so that's why you don't see it. So it's missing the two holes. I don't have the side skirts for that kit, so. And I got, that's the rear one. It's not bad with the fin and everything. Give it a little, you know, something, but I'm definitely changing that. That's a big no-no. Or place it somewhere else, because it's not nice. It's really not. So let me show you the other body kit I got. This one is a Wing West. You guys remember that one? Yeah, it's just been outside. I just bring it out. If you guys remember that one. If you guys are OG back in the day. And I got the rear. That's the rear, and I do have the side skirts there inside the barn, and I may put those ones. They're 17, but I'm missing 2. So if buddies around my area, I'm in close to Cornwall, Ottawa, or whatever. Those are the Tensu RS5. Those are 17. I'm looking for 2 or 4 or whatever for a good price, really good price. Doesn't matter if tires or not. So hook me up here or check out my Facebook or whatever it is. Hook me up there. Yeah, so that's what it is. So if you guys are pretty happy about that, or you know, into it, give me a thumbs up and comment. So let me know what you guys think and what we should do with it. All right, see you. Peace.